Hello students, we have one more board question from paper 2020, that means the latest paper. This question is about a parallel plate capacitor and two cases are given and we have to solve one relation. So let us start understanding the cases here. In case first, a parallel plate capacitor is filled completely with a medium of dielectric constant K. Now here K term is given. We can use for dielectric constant epsilon r or we can use K also sometimes. So dielectric constant is K given. Then the same parallel plate capacitor is again filled but now with two different mediums half. So for first half part of the capacitor K1 medium is filled, for second half of the capacitor K2 medium is filled. So these are the two cases. Now we are asked to obtain the relation between K, K1 and K2. And given condition is, we are always given some condition with which we can find the answer. Condition is capacitance in both cases is same. So this side capacitance and this final capacitance is same. So let us start solving this question. Here we will be taking the help of capacitance formula because condition is about capacitance. So suppose I call the capacitance of first case C1. Of this parallel plate capacitor, the capacitance I assume C1. So the formula for C1, let us start writing here. It is K A epsilon 0 upon D. This we have studied already. If a capacitor is completely filled with a medium of K, then the capacitance formula is Ka epsilon 0 by D. Now come to this side, case number second. Here we can see that two separate mediums are filled. So we will call the capacitance of first part C dash and capacitance of second part suppose C double dash. So let us make in the same manner the answers of C dash and C double dash. Okay, C dash answer, medium is what? K1. You can see medium is K1. Area of the plates A, then epsilon 0 we have to write. Then separation we have to write separation D by 2. So D by 2 we have written. Okay. In the same manner, we can make the formula for C double dash also. That means this side. We have to hide this first part. We have to see only the second part. Here the medium is K2. A epsilon 0 upon separation D by 2. We have written. Now C dash and C double dash are prepared. But still we have not got what is the final answer here. So suppose we call the final answer of C dash and C double dash as C2. Now how to get C2? Should we add them directly or any other option is there? So we have to think here that these two capacitance, are they in series or they are in parallel combination? So for that what we will do, we will redraw this diagram. Suppose there are two wires. So between two wires, here capacitance C dash and just after that capacitance C double dash is connected. So we can see from here that this is the series combination. So whenever two capacitors are connected one after another, so that is series combination. Now for series combination, how do we get the answer? Is it direct addition or reciprocal addition? So the answer is reciprocal addition. So the net answer C2 of these two, of this whole assembly C2, we will obtain this way. C2 is the net answer. Then which is the first capacitance C dash and which is the second capacitance C double dash. We have to reciprocally add them. Let us solve now. If we take LCM, we will get this and C double dash plus C dash we will get. So finally the C2 formula, it will become C dash C double dash, C dash plus C double dash. We can directly also apply this formula for series combination of capacitance always. Now let us apply the answers of C dash and C double dash so that we get C2, and after getting C2 we have to equate it with C1 because in the question it is written that capacitance in both the cases is same. So this first answer this side and whatever is the final answer this side, we have to equate them. So let us obtain the answer here. C dash and C double dash values are here. So firstly we can make it simple by shifting this 2 on the numerator side. So if this d by 2 part I am changing, it will become d by shifting 2. In the same manner 2 is shifted here also. Okay. Now let us put the values here. C dash is this 2 K1 A epsilon 0 by D into C double dash 2 K2 A epsilon 0 by D upon, we have to do C dash plus C double dash. So 2, okay, let us take common because we have to simply add them. So why to write the common terms again and again? What is common in C dash and C double dash? We will write it outside. So 2 is common, A is common, epsilon 0 and D. So 2 A epsilon 0 upon D is taken common. In the bracket K1 plus K2 will be remaining. Now let us cancel from the numerator side. So A cancelled 1 because it is into, you remember. So 1 A will cancel, 1 epsilon 0 will cancel, 1 D will cancel, 1 2 will cancel. Finally, we are left with what answer? 2 K1 into K2 A epsilon 0 upon D and upon K1 plus K2 is remaining. Let us check. K1 written, 2K2 written, A epsilon 0 by D written. Finally, this is the answer obtained of C2. Now we have the condition. Capacitance in both the cases is same. So capacitance here is C1, capacitance final here is C2. We have to equate them. So after equating only we will get the relation between K, K1, K2. So let us put the values. C1 answer is here written, K A epsilon 0 by D, and C2 answer. C2 answer is this one, 2 K1 K2 K1 plus K2 upon, and A epsilon 0 by D is also there. Finally, what terms are cancelled? A cancelled, epsilon 0 cancelled, D cancelled. So our final answer is obtained here. So this is the required answer. We have got the relation among K, K1 and K2. So this way we solve the question.